Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Orpheus TTS is gaining a lot of traction out there. It's a llama based speech LLM that has been designed for high quality empathetic text to speech generation. This model has been fine tuned to deliver human level speech synthesis among various other features, and we already have installed this model locally as you can see on your screen. If you are interested in installing it locally or fine tuning it on custom dataset, you can just search on the channel and you should be able to find these two videos which we did yesterday and also day before yesterday. Someone has gone in and created a graphical user interface on top of this Orpheus Edge or Orpheus TTS model, which they are calling as Orpheus Edge. It's a simple Gradio based GUI, and in this video we are going to install it locally and then we will see how it works. And by the way, this Orpheus model is quite flexible. It not only supports input as a text or image, but also you can input video, but you would have to process the video by extracting keyframes and also summarizing the content, and I have done few videos on that topic too if you're interested. Now, the claim of fame of this Orpheus model is that they say that they can generate realistic speech with customizable voices, and we already tested them out, but we will again check it out in our Gradio demo. So let's get started. Let me also give a huge thanks to our very good friends at Massed Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount for range of GPUs. This is my Ubuntu system and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's first create a virtual environment with Conda and then we will proceed further. And now let's git clone the repo of this Orpheus Edge. That is done. Next up, we need to install all the prerequisites, which are simply torch audio and few other things, and that is going to take a couple of minutes. While that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will also drop the link to their website in video's description. And everything is installed. Let's now launch our software by just simply running this command python app.py from the root of the repo. And the first time when we run it, it is going to download the model. So let's wait for it. And the model is downloaded. Now it is loading onto our GPU. So let's wait with the tokenizer, of course. And there you go, everything is installed and loaded, and we can now access it on our local host at the default Gradio port. So let me quickly do that. There you go. So this is our Orpheus Edge running locally. Let me first try it out. So I'm just going to uh, select one of the voices. So you can see that it supports uh, Tara, Dan, Emma, Josh. So we can just select it by clicking here, or we could just access them by using @sign. You can also specify some of the hyperparameters if you click on this input, but I'm not going to use that. So I'm just maybe I'll go with Emma first, this one. And as soon as you click on it, it just starts processing with Orpheus. So Emma is saying, hey, I'm Emma. And then there is an emotion. And yes, comma, I can talk just like a person even when I am tired. So let's see how it does. I'm also going to show you the VRAM consumption. But before that, let's play this Emma's voice.
Hey, I'm Emma. And yes, I can talk just like a person, even when I'm tired.
And let's check the VRAM consumption. So just around 21.4 gig of VRAM. Okay, so but you see in this GUI you can talk with Emma, so you can just so this is Emma, and now you can use for direct TTS, or you can just use LLM plus TTS like something this. So let me try that out. And you see that now in another example, instead of just direct TTS, I am using the LLM option. So Emma-LLM, and I'm asking Emma to write me a Python code to add two numbers. Let's see if it has generated something.
Sure, here's the Python code for adding two numbers from user. Num1, it adds those inputs together using the plus operator, which performs addition and stores that result into the sum variable.
There you go. So pretty cool, isn't it? And then if you really think about it, you can very easily build a voice chatbot where you can stream the voices. You can have a conversational chatbot very easily. The good thing is that all the code is open sourced on the repo. So really hats off to this person who has created it. Prithvi someone, so really good stuff, man. And so you can see that all the code is there. You can just simply clone it, because I'm not sure what the license is. I'm just going to check, but the license of Orpheus is very permissive, so should not be an issue. You can alter the code easily. So good stuff there. Now coming back to this Gradio demo, you can also do the video inference. So for the video inference, I have just selected a video from my local system, and then this is a video, and then I have just said add video dash infer, describe the video, and you can see that it is processing that video with Qwen2 VL model, which we already have covered on the channel. If you're interested, we installed it locally, and I believe it is just extracting the video as frame by frame and then processing it. So it should be fun to see. Let me play this, by the way. And I created it with Runway ML, as you can see, long time back with text, just as part of another video. So this is just a video of cat and then doing some stuff on top of a hill. Anyway, let's see how it goes. Let's wait for it. And my GPU has run out of the VRAM. It seems that you would need at least 80 GB of VRAM in order to also do the video inference, because it loads the video and I just have 48 GB of VRAM. But anyway, if you have the VRAM, you should be able to easily do this video inference. Now, I think pretty good tool, and for me, the major attraction of this tool is to simply use this code in order to build your own conversational style chatbot with the help of this Orpheus Edge TTS. And then if you are interested, you can even do the video sort of stuff. But I think just doing for the TTS stuff, for the conversation, that should be more than enough. Anyway, let me know what do you think. As I said, I will drop the link to it in video's description, this repo, and then you can play around with it. And again, if you are interested, just check out these videos where you can even install it in full locally and then build your own tool, and you can fine tune it on other voices and other stuff. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.